crowd is ready. The teams are ready. Who's got the endurance here to go through this best of 5? Was a little too far in. Team Solo Mid's gonna be able to pin him into the pin. He just turn rocket.
They're on it. It's 3K. We should fight. Can we fight after? Fight after? Nice. Keep going.
Closest target. Don't go hard.
Game 1 of the quarterfinals goes to Team Solo Mid. Wow, nice dodge by Piglet. The flash and the spell shield out. Are they going to be able to save him here? Piglet stays alive with just a sliver of health.
Nice. Get hit, plus. Keep going. I can go here. Keep going.
Good dom.
Go dominate. Alice, special. We can do Baron.
Nice team. TSM take down Team Liquid for game 2.
Like, what about you? You want anything? We can go get Chipotle, anything.
Can I have like a watermelon?
What? Are you joking?
Yeah.
Are you serious? You want watermelon?
Yeah.
Special and Dyrus go down at the same time. A quick trade for kills. Plus Boys, the next target. Piglet can't get him. It's the team coming in.
He's going on, just me. Yeah. Friendly.
Okay, Maokai, I ulted him in.
Yep. Looking for a hook. On Silver.
Nice.
We're going to a game 4. Liquid keeps its semifinals alive.
Give me an A. A. Give me a Z. Z. Give me an I. Give me an R. What? R. I got it. Yeah.
Was on either side. They can't really get a priority target. It's going to take too much damage on the side of Team Solo Mid. TSM has everything they want. Team Solo Mid take the semifinal series to face Counter Logic Gaming as they take out Team Liquid.